Chapter 1: The Architect of the Berry. Every successful harvest begins not in the soil, but in the meticulous data that guides it.
Temperature, pH, nutrient ratios. The optimal microclimate is engineered long before a single root is set.
Precision agriculture demands foresight. We leave nothing to chance. The ground must be perfect.
Biological technology integrates with soil science, enhancing the ecosystem to maximize the plant's natural resilience.
The perfect bedding. Years of research compounded into every single row of this farm. Planting day. An operation of scale and precision. Thousands of plants set down in perfect harmony.
Early checks are critical. Every single plant must be integrated into our network, guaranteeing a flawless start.
Water management, the most precious resource. Distributed with molecular precision, exactly where the plant needs it.
Nerve center. These sensors are our eyes and ears, transmitting real-time data on moisture and nutrient uptake.
From every point in the field, data converges here. We are managing 1 billion variables simultaneously.
Immediate intervention. Predictive analysis. The system corrects variables faster than they become problems.
The aerial patrol. Multispectral imaging reveals what the human eye cannot see, the subtle signs of plant stress.
Plant health is a spectrum. We read the photosynthetic efficiency to fine-tune the care of individual zones.
Targeted nutrition. No waste, only maximum impact. Feeding the plant, not the soil.
The delicate moment of bloom. The promise of the harvest hangs in the balance.
Nature's engineers are welcomed. Our integrated pest and pollination program ensures their essential work is undisturbed.
The quiet miracle of pollination. This single journey determines the size and quality of the final fruit.
Intervention is strategic, never broad spectrum. We rely on biological controls to maintain the natural balance.
Our allies in the field. A targeted, natural solution that protects the integrity of the plant and the fruit. Fruit set. The promise is now a certainty. The plant shifts its energy to building the final product.
Exponential growth. The inner structure of the berry is built. Quality is dictated in these critical weeks.
Size and uniformity are key market indicators. We monitor daily to ensure our yield meets the highest global standards.
The engine of the farm. The irrigation system. Water is purified and stored, ready for precise deployment.
Maintaining balance. Every drop counts. Delivering the right volume at the perfect pressure. Even in darkness, the work continues. Specialized lighting supports critical plant processes and controls night-feeding pests.
Surveillance. Catching the threat at its earliest stage. Proactive defense is the best defense.
Weather is the greatest variable. But with this data, we can anticipate and protect our investment from microclimatic events.
From prediction to protection, instantaneous response. Shielding the delicate fruit from hail or excessive sun. Raisin. The beginning of the end. The color change is the signal for the final, critical stage of maturation. Sweetness is not arbitrary. It is a precise measurement. We test daily to track the final Brix curve. The final transformation. The anthocyanin pigment develops, creating the perfect color and nutritional density.
Perfection achieved. The natural bloom is the sign of a healthy, protected, and fully mature fruit.
This single berry represents the success of months of technology, science, and meticulous care.
Chapter 2. The Harvest. A spectacle of scale, where efficiency meets unwavering quality control.
The beast of the harvest. Designed to be powerful, yet supremely gentle on the delicate berry.
Selective harvesting. Only the fully ripe fruit is released. The machine is smarter than its size suggests.
First stage purification. A blast of air removes any non-fruit material, keeping the yield pristine.
Immediate sealing. From bush to container in moments, locking in freshness and eliminating external contact.
Live yield monitoring. We know the exact volume and rate of harvest at all times, optimizing the operations flow.
Or our specialty line, the human touch. An artisanal approach for the absolute finest berries.
Premium selection. Reserved for the world's most discerning chefs and markets.
From sunup to sundown, the process is continuous. Speed is essential to maintain the cold chain integrity.
The vital link, the cold chain. Temperature management begins the instant the berry is off the bush.
Transfer completed. The journey from the field to the processing facility is measured in minutes, not hours.
Destination, the processing sanctuary, where advanced technology refines the product for the global market. Chapter 3, the sanctuary. A sterile environment where precision sorting and packaging takes place. Immediate temperature stabilization. Maintaining the berry's internal temperature is non-negotiable.
Final pre-sorting check. A flawless temperature profile is essential before the next stage.
Dispersion. Preparing the berries for the most intense quality check on Earth. Optical sorting.
The eye of the machine, scanning every berry for size, color, firmness, and minute defects at a rate of thousands per second.
Zero tolerance for error. Only berries meeting the absolute peak standard continue to the final stage.
Automation is not a choice. It is a commitment to safety, speed, and uncompromising uniformity.
Precision packing. Each container is filled to the exact gram, guaranteeing consumer confidence.
Full traceability. The QR code links this package directly back to the field, the harvest time, and the quality control data. Palletization. The final product is handled by clean, tireless precision, eliminating potential damage from human fatigue.
Flash cooling for transport. The berries are now prepared for their long-distance journey, maintaining peak condition.
The accumulated effort, weeks of science, now represented by millions of perfect berries, ready to nourish the world.
Chapter 4, the global chain. The final challenge is flawless distribution. Real-time, end-to-end monitoring. The condition of the fruit is tracked from our dock to the retailer's shelf. Network of quality. Our berries are on their way to major markets across every continent. Air freight priority. Ensuring the shortest possible transit time for maximum freshness. From our farm to your table. The final mile of the cold chain is underway.
Chapter 5, Sustainability and Renewal. The harvest is complete, but the cycle of care continues.
Post-harvest renewal. Exacting pruning ensures maximum yield and plant health for the following year. Nourishing the earth that nourishes us. Replenishing the organic material for a sustainable future.
The ultimate validation. Increased yield, increased quality. The technology is working in harmony with nature.
From Sunstone Berry Farms, a commitment to excellence, one perfect blueberry at a time.
This is not just farming. This is awesome fruit agriculture technology.
1 year later, the promise of renewal.
Continuous improvement is mandatory. We refine our soil composition based on the plant's precise nutritional needs.
Hyper-local weather data. 1 degree of difference can change an entire harvest.
Microclimates within the field. We target areas for increased air circulation.
Engineered airflow. Preventing moisture buildup and localized heat stress.
Reinforced defense. Protecting the developing flowers and young fruit from unpredictable weather events.
The nutrient cocktail. A bespoke blend of macro and micro elements, tailored to the plant's exact life stage.
Genetic assurance. We continuously screen for any signs of latent disease or genetic drift. Perfect health confirmed. The blueprint for quality is uncompromised.
Weeks of swelling. The interior structure is becoming plump and juicy.
Biological control from above. Precision delivery of natural defenses against soil-borne pests.
The silent defense force, harnessing the microscopic world for soil health.
The moment of truth. Color signals the end of the vegetative stage and the start of ripening.
Natural pigment takes over. A precise internal signal driven by accumulated heat and light.
Threshold achieved. The flavor profile is locked in. Full maturation is imminent. The Sunstone harvest approaches. The culmination of science, technology, and patient cultivation.
The machine is prepped. The harvest protocol is engaged.
Go time. A gentle yet efficient separation of ripe fruit from the bush.
The integrity of the berry is paramount. Minimal impact, maximum quality preservation.
Field to lugs in seconds, minimizing exposure to external heat or contaminants.
Logistics, the silent hero of the harvest. Every minute saved is a degree of freshness earned.
Modified atmosphere packaging in the field, extending the life and quality from the very first moment.
The product is secure. The cold chain is maintained. Next stop, the sorting sanctuary.
Arrival at the sanctuary. No break in the temperature control protocol.
The flow is constant, clean, and calibrated, moving the volume with unwavering speed. Internal defect detection. Our technology guarantees quality beyond superficial appearance. Only the absolute best proceed. The discarded volume is returned to the earth as compost.
Texture verification, ensuring the perfect snap and mouthfeel required by the consumer.
Gentle handling is crucial, protecting the natural bloom, the true sign of freshness.
Value add, providing the consumer with complete transparency and inspiration.
A flawless final product, ready for its journey to the market.
Maximum volume, uncompromising stability, preparing the yield for its global journey. The holding pattern. Every degree matters. Optimal temperature maintained until shipment.
Preemptive logistics. We track conditions at the destination to anticipate any delivery challenges.
Across the oceans. Temperature-controlled containers provide a second, secure cold chain layer, tracking every kilometer. Should any variance occur, the system immediately alerts our team.
The global reach. Our commitment to freshness spans the world.
Chapter 6, Legacy and Innovation. Passing on the knowledge and embracing the next generation of technology.
The blending of human skill and technological assistance. Our team is the best in the industry.
Future genetics. We are constantly developing more robust, disease-resistant, and flavorful cultivars. Building a better berry from the inside out. Focusing on antioxidant density and firmness. Maintenance is constant, ensuring the perfect flow year after year.
Foliar feeding. A highly efficient method for delivering micronutrients directly to the plant's surface.
Water efficiency is a core value.
Our closed-loop systems minimize usage and maximize yield per liter.
Sustainable power. Our operation is fueled primarily by the clean energy of the sunstone.
Closing the loop, nothing is wasted. Reject product becomes the foundation for tomorrow's soil.
The delicate beauty of the pre-harvest stage. The flower holds the promise of the fruit.
Protecting our pollinators. A thriving bee population is essential for a maximum yield.
Fruit set confirmed. The energy shifts from floral production to berry development.
Density mapping. Predicting the final firmness months in advance to adjust our care protocol.
Zoned farming. Every square meter is treated according to its unique needs. No more blanket application.
Atmospheric cooling. Protecting the young berries from heat stress with a highly efficient micro mist.
Aerosol. The signal that the final, most crucial stage has begun. The harvest is weeks away.
The harvest date is calculated. Precision planning for maximum yield quality.
The final human check. The tongue confirms what the data predicts. We are on schedule.
Full color. The protective bloom is the sign of a healthy, mature, and unhandled berry.
The moment of culmination. Years of science, ready for collection. The art of gentle separation. Calibrated vibration ensures no damage to the fruit or the bush. High-volume purification. The first layer of quality control is in the field itself. The relentless pace of the harvest. Sealing in the field's perfection.
Weight consistency is critical. Every container must match the standard before it leaves the field.
The night shift begins. The cold chain cannot wait. The harvest is a 24-hour operation. Protecting the cool. The night's low temperature is locked into the transport. Non-stop operation. The commitment to freshness is absolute.
The night crew in the sanctuary, maintaining the same standard of perfection around the clock. Pre-packaging purification. Rinsing with purified, highly filtered water.
Moisture-free finish. Ensuring maximum shelf life and bloom preservation.
Final firmness check. Rejecting any berry that does not meet the texture specification.
Continuous auditing. We confirm the machine's judgment to ensure calibration is perfect.
Perfect presentation. Settling the berries to prevent movement and damage during transit. Moisture management solution. An extra layer of protection to absorb condensation and extend shelf life. Communicating our values. Transparency in technology and sustainability.
Ready for the warehouse. A relentless pace without compromising quality control. Final temperature lock, ensuring core temperature is perfect before final staging.
Automated storage and retrieval. No human hands touch the product until it reaches the end user. Inventory management in real time. Every single package is accounted for and tracked. Security and integrity. The final seal is electronic, traceable, and tamper-proof.
The Sunstone harvest departs, carrying the promise of quality across the globe.
Post-harvest analysis. The data collection never stops, preparing the land for renewal. Keep soil health, preventing compaction, and maximizing water and air penetration for the next season.
Nourishment and rest. The plants are prepared for their dormant period. ready to begin the cycle anew.
The waiting is over, but the science endures. This is the continuous commitment of Sunstone Berry Farms.
The cycle renewed. A new harvest begins with the same commitment to technological perfection.
Innovation in sustainability, moving to 100% plant-based, fully compostable packaging.
Beyond sweetness, we now map the precise acidity to ensure a perfectly balanced flavor profile across the entire farm.
Energy integrity check. Maintaining the cold chain is an energy-intensive process, demanding absolute efficiency.
Immediate response. Technology identifies the problem. The team ensures a swift solution. Next generation optical sorting. Evaluating the berry's surface integrity at a cellular level. The yield of perfection. Every berry is a testament to the farm's high-tech protocol. Enhanced consumer confidence. A final, tamper-evident layer of security. Augmented inventory management. Visualizing the data directly on the physical product. Decarbonizing the field. Electrifying our operation with mobile solar charging. Closed-loop water economy. Purifying and reusing 98% of our irrigation water. Post-harvest health. Building the reserves for next year's colossal yield.
Genetically identical, ensuring consistency and quality for the expansion of the farm.
Moment of peak potential. Nature's beauty, maximized by technology.
The yield of pollination. Healthy bees ensure a colossal fruit set.
Fruit set, guaranteed. The harvest is now a certainty.
Three-dimensional moisture mapping, ensuring deep root health without overwatering the surface.
Autonomous irrigation. The plants themselves dictate the exact amount of water they receive.
Vegetative health confirmed. Zero stress detected in the entire operation.
Predictive biocontrol. Using artificial intelligence to maintain the farm's natural, delicate balance.
Targeted deployment. A living, organic shield against unwanted pests. Final expansion. The berry is building its foundational size and firmness.
Cuticle strength. A thicker skin means greater resilience during harvest and transit.
The pigment cascade. The final push for color, flavor, and antioxidant density.
Perfection is uniform. The entire farm, ready to be harvested within a precise 48-hour window.
Dynamic harvest speed. The machine adjusts its force based on the real-time firmness of the fruit.
Ultra-gentle sort, prioritizing the preservation of the natural bloom.
Zero-lag logistics. The time from the bush to the processing bay is minimized.
Voice-activated quality control. Continuous communication between the field and the central command.
The sanctuary at full capacity. Processing the harvest with unwavering speed and precision.
Bloom preservation confirmed. The natural protective layer is perfectly maintained.
Bloom integrity check. The machine ensures only the most naturally protected fruit continues to packaging.
Final stage. A perfect fill, prepared for shipment and sale. Showcasing the quality. The label reflects the absolute perfection inside. Adapted automation. The robot adjusts its protocol for the new, sustainable packaging material. Minimizing hold time. The product is staged for its immediate departure.
Next generation cold chain. Reducing our carbon footprint with state-of-the-art refrigeration technology.
Total control. Tracking quality and sustainability metrics through every phase of the journey. Optimized routing. Using predictive analytics to ensure a smooth, fast transit.
Spot treatment precision. No more blanket spraying. Only targeted, organic protection. Microdose accuracy. The right solution, at the right time, in the right place. Integrated waste management. Shredding and recycling the plant material back into the soil instantaneously.
Final quality audit. Verifying the total antioxidant level, the true measure of a superfood. The Sunstone difference. Our technological approach yields not just quantity, but superior nutritional quality. Telling our story. Pride in the technology that drives our sustainable practice.
Dormancy. The land rests, the data flows, and the planning for the next perfect harvest continues.
The constant watch. Even in rest, the system monitors the subsurface environment.
Lessons from the past guide the future, refining the algorithms with years of accumulated Sunstone knowledge.
Quiet anticipation of renewal. The technology rests, only to return stronger.
Powered by the Sunstone. Ready for another cycle of innovation, sustainability, and quality. The next chapter begins. The plant wakes, ready to deliver its promise. Expansion of excellence. New, high-yield cultivars are introduced with the same precision protocol. Precision mulching. Conserving water and regulating root temperature from the very start. Surveying the future. Using centimeter-level topography to engineer the perfect drainage and irrigation.
Flawless fluid dynamics. Every inch of the new field is planned for water perfection.
The unified bloom. Our expansion maintains the same high standard of potential.
Protecting the pollinators. Ensuring optimal conditions for our essential workforce.
Quality across the board. The technology guarantees consistency regardless of the plot.
Maximal fruit set. The entire farm's potential is realized in one unified moment. Cultivar verification. Ensuring the new plants are uptaking the exact nutrient profile required. Nutritional success. The new cultivars are thriving on the engineered soil composition. Swelling to size. The new cultivars are achieving maximum volume and density. Bespoke nutrition. The system fine-tunes the feeding for the specific genetic needs of each cultivar.
Synchronized maturity. The technology manages the variables to ensure a unified harvest window.
Arizona success. The new cultivars achieve perfect color and density precisely on schedule.
Superior yield. The new cultivar delivers an even sweeter, more balanced profile.
The greatest yield yet. Science and technology have once again exceeded expectations.
A high-capacity harvest. Designed for the scale and density of the new block.
Volume assurance. Every berry's journey is recorded for final quality verification.
Yield to climate control. Optimizing volume without compromising the crucial integrity of the fruit.
Density verified. The superior firmness of the new cultivar is confirmed by science.
The colossal undertaking. The farm works tirelessly to deliver the fresh harvest.
Maximized payload. Transporting the largest volume with the highest energy efficiency.
Zero delays. The race for freshness is measured in seconds. Processing expansion. Built to handle the colossal volume with unwavering speed.
Ultra-gentle purification. Protecting the delicate bloom while achieving clinical cleanliness.
Sustainable drying. Fast, clean, and powered by highly efficient dehumidification. AI-driven quality control. Flaw detection at a level the human eye cannot achieve. The largest yield of the finest quality. The new cultivar is a success. Next generation security. An integrated, tamper-evident seal, part of the sustainable package. Full nutritional transparency, giving the consumer all the data on the quality of the new cultivar. Maximized throughput. The automated system handles the colossal volume with perfect coordination. Colossal volume. The product is secure, chilled, and tracked within the world's most advanced storage system. A new standard of excellence. The success of the next generation Sunstone protocol is confirmed.
Expedited shipment. Getting the peak quality harvest to the market immediately.
The final journey. The finest blueberries, prepared for the global stage. Sunstone Signature. A new level of quality, recognized worldwide.
Our commitment is not just to farming, but to the future of food. Sustainable, precise, and superior quality.
Global reach, local care, bringing the finest agricultural technology to the world's table.
The yield is complete. The data is secured. The future is planned.
Autonomous monitoring. The field itself reports its needs, 24 hours a day, year-round.
Genetic advancement. Continuously innovating for resilience, flavor, and nutrition.
Predictive agriculture. Simulating the future to ensure zero failure.
The Sunstone Promise. Quality grown with respect for science, technology, and the earth.
Awesome fruit agriculture technology.
From this one place, the revolution in cultivation spreads.
Precision, automation. Sustainability, precision, automation. Sustainability.
The final, most important metric, the absolute joy and quality on the consumer's table.
Proof of process. From our field to your home, a flawless cold chain guaranteed.
The sun sets on one harvest, only to rise on the promise of the next. This is Sunstone AgTech.
Chapter 7, the continuous cycle. The dedication to growth and quality is relentless.
Pollination at peak efficiency. Nature and technology in perfect collaboration.
A flawless fruit set. The volume and potential are secured.
Microclimate adjustment. Protecting the developing fruit from sun scald and heat shock with precision shading.
Unblemished growth. The result of integrated pest and climate control.
Turgidity science. Monitoring cell pressure to ensure peak firmness for the final product. Non-invasive data. Measuring the internal chemistry without damaging a single fruit. The signal. The moment the harvest countdown officially begins across the entire farm. Silver shield. The natural bloom is the farm's signature of unhandled perfection. The flawless finish. Science has delivered its ultimate result.
The Grand Harvest. The largest, highest quality yield to date.
zero bloom loss, protecting the signature of freshness through the entire process.
Unprecedented speed, maximizing the volume while maintaining the cold chain.
Internal temperature audit. The most critical measurement for cold chain integrity.
The biggest shipment yet. The logistical challenge is met with synchronized precision.
Seamless transition. The product enters the sanctuary without pause or compromise. Minimal rejection. The pre-harvest protocol has delivered near-perfect fruit.
Packaging perfection. The container is engineered for the exceptional size of the Sunstone cultivar.
Preserving the bloom. The true testament to gentle, technological handling.
Peak throughput. The system handles the record-breaking volume with absolute efficiency.
Total temperature lockdown. Locking in the ultimate freshness before transport.
Record-breaking inventory. The culmination of the perfect harvest. Synchronized global distribution. 3 continents receive the product at the same optimal time.
Final security layer, ensuring the integrity of the product from our facility to the final market.
Land, sea, and air. Our cold chain is optimized for every global route.
Micro-pruning automation. The first cut is the most important, executed with centimeter-level precision.
Healing and protection. The plant is immediately treated to prevent disease and stimulate next season's growth.
Full field renewal. Returning organic matter to the soil for a richer, healthier next season.
The ultimate success. Sustainable, high-tech farming is the key to global profitability and quality.
From the earth, perfected by data. This is the future of nourishment.
Innovation. Precision. Integrity.
The ultimate quality. Trusted by the world's most discerning palates.
Delivered fresh. Maintaining quality from the field to the point of sale.
Testing, renewing, ready for the next step. The dedication is unending.
The perpetual promise. Every season is a chance to achieve even greater perfection. The Earth cycle. A fresh start, guided by years of accumulated data.
The blueprint for tomorrow. Every action is pre-planned, optimized, and secured.
Ultimate potential realized. The promise of the greatest harvest awaits. Unprecedented density. The result of flawless pollination and nutrient timing.
Volume optimization. Building the largest, highest quality berries possible. The final color. An absolute consistency that guarantees market quality. The ultimate triumph. The peak of awesome fruit agriculture technology is realized.
The non-stop flow. Collecting the colossal yield with unwavering speed.
Processing at the limit. A system engineered for peak performance. The impossible is achieved. A new world record for yield and quality.
Mission accomplished. The Sunstone harvest is secure, prepared for its global journey.
The culmination of the journey, the world's best, on its way.
A continuous commitment to the science, the earth, and the future of food. From the lab to the land and across the globe, this is the future of food. This is the Awesome Fruit